Today I'm planting Sunpatiens compact lilac improveds for a bright pop of color in my developing podocarpus hedge. In the fall, I cut the foliage to the ground but left the root balls in place. The roots seem to have broken down enough to where they pop right out with the shovel, and I can mix some of the leftover soil with my new plants. I'm using up some of this Dr. Earth's flower garden fertilizer in the hole. Espoma's organic flower tone is another great fertilizer option for annuals. Mulch is an important step with Sunpatiens because they don't like to dry out. I'm just happy with how easy the soil is to work with this spring. Leaving those root balls in last fall made all of this so much easier, and now my hedge is getting its color back. Five Sunpatiens in the ground, and I'll be sure to give you guys an update later this summer.